Hi there. I wanted to give you some support with Canva. The brochure portion we haven't used in class, but we definitely have used Canva. And I wanted to show you where you can find a brochure. I used the word pamphlet when I originally made up the assignment, but it's actually brochure that's being used on Canva. So this should look familiar to you. We've used this, and you'll see where it says Create Design here. And these are all the different templates that are set up. And there'll be different choices. And depending on what you opened recently, they'll be in different order. And I'm going to scroll back here because I already looked at brochure, so it's at the beginning of my list. I'm going to open up brochure. And I'm going to have all these choices on the bottom here on the panel to choose from. And you can see there's different variations. And like it's showing up here, a pamphlet, or in this case, a brochure, is a trifold. And in this case, you'll see a lot of different options here. And I'm just going to pick one. Since we're looking for resources, we don't want it to be too like the food one or things like that. So I'm going to go back up here to the top. Medical, spa. Just going to use this one. Okay, so when I click on and also make sure it's free. When I click on it, it'll make it for one side, and then there's a plus sign here, and you'll see when you roll over it says add a new page. I'm going to add a new page, and then since I already used this one here on this first one with the ice cream cone, I'm going to use this one for my second page. And you can see when I have it highlighted, it has that aqua bar around it. And just like we were using it for the other projects, as you click on it, you can do all of these different effects. You can change your photos in there depending on what you're using. And you can just see I just deleted the photo um, for the ice cream because that doesn't really relate to my project. And same thing down here. I'm going to click on these to delete this. And remember, I can just go over here and maybe type in health and get some different choices. Washing hands, this is a good one. So I want to use this one. And remember, when it comes over here, you have all these different tools that you can add. So your goal on here is to create a brochure that will help people. I gave you a bunch of links there. If you want to make this for a parent, if you want to make this for an older community that's seeking assistance, if you want to provide food pantry information, all just different kinds of information is out there. The best way to help yourself during this time, you be the judge. You create the brochure that's going to fit the needs of who you want it to fit. And once you're done, remember, go up here to the downloads, and it's going to default to both pages. And you can go ahead and stick to the PDF print is the default, that's fine, or you can change it to that. And remember that when you hit download, it's going to go to your drive that's on your Chromebook, and then you can go into the actual assignment to attach it. Okay, hope you're well, and I hope this little refresher here helps you out with all the different aspects that you can use on Canva. Have a good one.